welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about the Maths Revised syllabus of first time examination of class 10, 2021 and 2022. We already knew that there will be two examinations, term 1 and term 2. Term 1 examination will be in MCQ form and this will be held during the November and December month. So here in this video we are going to discuss what are the chapters included in this term 1 examination and what are the portions, which portions are eliminated from your syllabus. Okay, let's get started. First, they are given a table. Here we are going to discuss what are the units, what are the chapters included in each unit and marks. So here total marks is 50, internal assessment mark is 10 and this MCQ exam total mark is 40. So first unit is number system. Here include the chapter 1. So here we are discussing only the portions or the chapters included for the first time examination. So here unit 1 number system, chapter 1 real number is included in this unit system, total 6 marks. Second unit algebra, there are two chapters, polynomial, second chapter polynomial, third chapter pair of linear equation in two variables, total mark 10. Third unit coordinate geometry, seventh chapter coordinate geometry, 6 marks. The next unit is geometry. Here only one chapter, chapter 6 triangle, 6 marks. Next one is trigonometry. Only one chapter, chapter 8 introduction to trigonometry, total 5 marks. Next unit is mensuration. One chapter, chapter number 12 areas related to circles. Here 4 marks. The last one is statistics and probability. From this unit only one chapter, that is chapter number 15, probability will be asked. Total mark is 3. So total 8 chapters are here, that are 1, 2, 3, 7, 6, 8, 12 and 15. Okay, next they are given a table. Here they are given this internal assessment mark division. Periodic test 3, multiple assessment 2, portfolio 2, student enrichment activities and practical work 3. Total 10 marks. You can easily score this 10 marks. Please make sure you are submitting these things on time and actively participate on all the activities. You will get 10 marks. Now we can check what are the topics reduced from eliminated from your chapters. I hope you are marking this clearly on your index page of your maths test. This will be helpful for your further studies. Okay, on the first chapter real number, here in your content page, the real number they will be given 1.1 introduction, 1.2 Euclid's division like this. Here what are the topics that is eliminated, that is 1.2 Euclid's division lemma and 1.4 revisiting irrational numbers. These are the two topics eliminated. And the exercises, exercise 1.1 and exercise 1.3, these two exercises are also eliminated. That means exercise 1.1 corresponding to Euclid's division lemma and exercise 1.3 corresponding to revisiting irrational numbers. These are the portions reduced from or eliminated from your real numbers. I hope you all are clear with this real number chapter. Moving on to polynomials. Here the portion 2.4 division algorithm for polynomials and the corresponding exercise 2.3. These are the portions eliminated. I repeat, 2.4 division algorithm for polynomials and corresponding exercise 2.3. Okay, next is pair of linear equation in two variables. Here almost all portions are there, but they are given here the substitution and elimination method. They didn't mention the cross multiplication method. So the eliminated portion is cross multiplication method. So you don't need to study the cross multiplication method from this chapter, pair of linear equations in two variables. The next one is the coordinate geometry. From this coordinate geometry, 7.4 area of triangle and corresponding exercise 7.3. These are the portions eliminated. Area of triangle 7.4 and corresponding exercise 7.3. Okay, next one is triangles. For most students this triangle chapter is difficult. They are given the 9 points in this chapter. That means there isn't any portion that is reduced or eliminated from this chapter. So you have to study the whole chapter, triangles. So please write down there, full chapter is needed. This term 1 exam, for this term 1 examination, this triangle, no portion is eliminated, no portion is reduced. You have to study the whole chapter. Okay. The next one is the trigonometry, introduction to trigonometry. Here the eliminated portion is 8.4, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Corresponding exercise, exercise 8.3. I repeat, 8.4 trigonometric ratios of complementary angles and corresponding exercise, exercise 8.3. Okay, the next is areas related to circles. Okay, here almost all portions are there, but let's check here. In calculating area of segment of circle, problem should be restricted to central angles of 60 degree and 90 degrees only. That means we can avoid 120 degree problems. If you check your page of 228, there will be an example 3. In this example 3, there will be, that's a question related to the central angle of 120 degree, and they are given the one page of solution there. So you can avoid, or you don't need to study the problems related to the central angle 120 degree. Okay. The next one is the probability. That is an easy chapter. No portion is reduced. The full chapter is required. Okay, that's all about this revised syllabus of term 1 examination of class 10 students. I hope you are all clear about the syllabus and the reduced portion. If you have any query or any doubt, you can ask through the comment. And if you need this video in Malayalam, then you can check the link in the description box, and also you can check the link in the comment box. Okay, if you like the video, please do subscribe, please do share, please give me a thumbs up.